14 players, depending on how you count. Of course, we will have Honey Royce Tupino, one of the veterans for Farm Fresh. Trisha Tubo will be there. We'll have the former FEU setter Jel Cayuna. We'll have MJ Phillips. Myla Pablo is there together with somebody also from NU. Is it Tori Guidetti, who has, of course, coached in Italy. He was the women's national coach for Sweden, and he comes from a family of volleyball coaches. Underway, first point, and immediately there's a violation. Just a good spreader of the wealth. In the meantime, this cut shot, tracked down, kept in play. Tough angle, hirap ang defense, kept alive. Cayuna goes the other direction. Uy, first long rally. And that will be scored upon by Tubo. Already scoring 3 points, as Neil pointed out. Nice pickup from the middle. The middles are activated. Ball is swung over to the other side. Reverse, blocked, alive on a great one-handed pickup. The tap. Crowd is screaming here. Ito sa volleyball pwede, sa tennis hindi ka pwede magsisisigaw ng ganyan. Oh, that is long. I guess so.
These are just exhibition games, if you would put it that way.
I
They
don't-
would still want to win. But ang pinakamaganda siguro for me would be the chance for the other players to
I
get
agree.
playing time. Because the regular seasons, all Philippine.
In the meantime, cutting with that serve. Oh, that's right through two defenders. On two we go. It's red. It's set up, and that's inside. Myla Pablo yung isa and get a setter against Ces Molina. Almost the same body type, skill level. In the meantime, here's the attack from the other wing. Picked up downstairs. Whoa! The end cleanly. Butas na butas. Si Riri, master na niya yung mga...
Overall, they've been playing better compared to next lead.
Romero serve in play. MJ Phillips gets that to score as the defensive line on the back row unable to handle it. Beda. Volleyball team. Off the hands and scored. EJ Laurel. Camillian. Si Myla, Mylene pa. Mahaba na rin ang pangalan. I think she married also. Straight into the waiting hands of... Oh, but that is drilled in cleanly by Cayuna. Yatura. Off the hands. Ah, straight and true. Acuna drilling it in.
That's more like it, says Jel Cayuna. Sakto din yung pasa.
Picked up deep. Molina uncorks and scores. 2-point lead by the Foxies. Twisting set, MJ Phillips. It's still alive. Recycled Phillips again. Kept in play, whipped inside, and not a problem for Farm Fresh's Tubo drilled it in. Well, masayang-masaya yung samahan ng Lala National High School. Sila sumusuporta sa Farm Fresh.
One blocker.
Oh, sumalok pababa, oh. Riri Meneses serving for all of us. High up and down. Here comes the set from the middle. Contained, and there's a double block that seals the wall. Acuna and Cayuna. Sounds like a law office. They've sealed that wall.
Farm Fresh is not yet out.
They had two in the first set. Set up by Cayuna. It is blocked, but kept alive by Sabete. Into the deep ends.
Pero up front, the shorter blocker. So even if you get checked the first time, you can try again on the second to to get it out of bounds.
Let's see if she makes that adjustment. It's now hit long. This is whipped in. And Farm Fresh getting away with everything they want to do so far. Ito, isa pang player. Pag nanggigigil, mas lalong gumagaling.
We're just finding all the right spots on the floor of the Chameleon.
She will continue to do that. Here's her southpaw serve. That is just before the line. Ang kapunan ng next leg, iniwanan sila. 7 straight points. Finally, they end that long drought.
That's what I like about Janelle Cheng as a setter. Even if they didn't get the point in sa last, they have an easier chance to defend that ball. Pag alam nila na, okay, it's either sa left or sa right lang naman pupunta eh.
Wala naman tayong pupulbima sa gitna.
They're getting a lot of block touches against the Chameleons.
Here's Cheng sliding nicely. Managed to create that opportunity for Fernandez well. Alam mo si Fernandez, gusto ko siya coming off the bench. Laki niyang mag-provide ng impact.
She can be the spark plug for next.
Gel serve. Stretch 4 by Tubino. The cut shot. Bandy the back row attack. Roll on the floor. The whip. And it's returned to Sander.
Through for sa Tubu. These are the two best blockers on the side of rookies sa mga veterans. Sometimes less is more.
And you know, it's not all power. It's okay to turn it on when you have to. In the meantime, placement yun.
Ang bilis nung recovery ng Farm Fresh because they know na pag gumana na itong medals consistently from the Chameleons, they will also
20-10 tally. First set going the way of Farm Fresh 25-23, but this one is in the deep corner. Abby Maranya trying to perk up her team.
Meron din siyang sariling version of a slide attack. That's also one of her signature
Patented yan eh. No?
attack points.
Fielded. And this one crawls over the net.
May halong swerte pa.
Pinakita ko sa kanya sa picture namin dala. Sir, tago mo yan. Huwag mo ilalabas. Farm Fresh scoring again.
On the floor, they're very good defensively, specifically in the digging department. But right now, something's really not clicking. Even the reception has been faulty. And
that's why they're digging into their bench. It's 24 set point 22 or 12. Sorry, my mistake. Into the back row. Dorendes made it a set. Cayuna. And next leg stays alive here. 1.2 at a time ito. Kaya na ba tapusin ng Farm Fresh ngayon ito? Tapos. Ganun kasimple. Katapos ng 25-23 na first set, 25-13 tayo dito sa second set. Set 3 po tayo. First two sets, you missed us. 25-23, 25-13 ang winning scores ng Farm Fresh. You know, Tubino has been such a wall in that back row. And that does not cross.
you can't go all power. You have to be able to get the right targets first.
Ayan, no?
Kahit hindi ganun kalakas.
Oo.
Basta nasa tamang spot.
Basang-basa siya, di ba? Romero's, what a set to the other side. Cés Molina going all guns here.
There's a tendency for you
I
to
agree.
overthink
Yeah.
everything.
Why are we like this? You don't know. Why? And a regalo is pounced upon. It's 3-0. In the meantime, the set by Cayuna. It is in play. One-handed set. Punched high. One of the few long rallies we've had. Nabuhay pa eh, oh. Buti na alala ni MJ third ball na. But Tubo is just unceasing here today.
Mahirap na feeling. Parang naghahabol ka na naghahabol.
Tina must be saying, wow, my clone. In the meantime, pinuntasan na naman sila. 6-2.
Luis Romero just pulling this.
Negros Occidental. Same place where basketball player James Yap came from. That's jammed. Elevated. Tubo connects in the corner. Takot. They gotta take chances also. Okay, set it up properly. Then we attack. This one too long. Look at this. Meron ba nito? Wala. MJ Phillips serving. Binal. Tubo, unstoppable.
Tempiatura.
11-6. Cheng. That's a wallop.
Like it.
Yep.
Yeah. As long as you get it at the highest point, you'll get a good chance of killing that ball. Pag bumaba kasi,
Kasi nagdalawang isip ka eh. 11-7 po ang ating bilang. Tinulak. Tinaas. Tinapik. Binaon. Down the line.
Fernando, this time from the right side.
Pablo.
Just identifying all of the open spots.
That's blocked.
Out of bounds.
Kept very much in play. Romero. That's inside.
It was out, but there was a block touch up front.
Here it is, Nick. Block touch ba? O inside and out? Inside and out dapat. Yan.
Kasi di quick setup for MJ Phillips. Ang layo nung positioning niya sa block.
Tututuro si Tobino.
No whistle.
You play on. Blocked. Kailangan talaga, setter ka rin, no? La Rosa spikes it over. Di ba may allowance tayo sa libero for this tournament?
Yeah.
I know there's one rule that
You can set beyond the attack line.
sige, para matapos to, mag-Tricia Tubo na tayo. In the meantime, Molina's serve in play. And you were saying, as Philip scores a new. Binubusog ni Cayuna si Phillips.
Alam din naman ni Jel kayo na kung anong ginagawa.
In the meantime, reading Meneses. Dikit sa net. No problem.
Best hit MJ Phillips. Entire game.
You see Ocho, like the two count in the aces. Farm Fresh has more. Binalik. Tinaas. Recovered from the back row. Romero sets up Tubo. Not precise. Cayuna. Fernandez knocks it down. May kamay itong Fernandez.
Fernandez.
Kasi wala pa akong pasalubong. I'm sure meron na yan. Okay. 18-17. 1 point affair in the third. This is inside and we are tied.
Cayuna is now recognizing init ni Fernandez.
Takes a deep breath. Picked up downstairs by De Guzman. Tough angle. It's in play. Elevated by Tolenada. Into the back row!
Fresh fans upon their feet.
Isa. Gusto na umuwi ng isa. Pero palagay ko lipat bukas pa yun. That is inside. That brings them to 23.
That's the biggest contribution talaga from Cesarina. Aside from the points that she delivers,
Cruz. And we are done. straight set win